Albert Adrià is many things. Ironic, spontaneous, humble, but most of all, the Catalan chef is highly talented.
A veces tengo la sensación de que aún tengo mucho por demostrar. Cuando reviso mi pasado, dices, wow.
At 16, he joined his brother Ferran Adrià at El Bulli, which went on to be named the world's best restaurant an incredible 5 times. Adrià is now channeling his endless creative energy and 40 years of experience into his most personal restaurant yet, Enigma, where seasonal ingredients are imbued with the chef's genius.
El concepto de Enigma es que no existe concepto. La cocina es amor, tanto para el que la da como el que la recibe, ¿no? ¿Cuál es la inspiración de Enigma? Sin duda es el producto.
In 2025, Albert Adrià won the
Estrella Damm Chef Choice Awards as part of the world's 50 Best Restaurants 2025.
a peer-voted accolade recognizing his outstanding cooking, wild innovation, and boundary-pushing curiosity.